Okay, for 6-3, this one's a little different than the others. I saved this one for last because it's more of an analyzing type situation instead of just adding or subtracting. I don't believe there's any decimals involved. It's all whole number stuff. And there's a lot of these tape diagram looking pictures in it. Okay, and what you have to realize is on these represent amounts. And it's nothing that's meant to confuse you, but like as you can look right here, they're showing this amount as the bigger one, okay, and then the 17,350 is being taken away. So whatever would be left would be this little bitty part right here, and whatever that part is, that's the answer. All right, so if you see these little rectangles on this lesson, don't freak out. It's nothing. It's just they're just trying to show you a visual. So on this one, I'm going to work this one a little different. I'm just going to flip through this packet right here, and I'm going to just work a few of them. So I'm going to go to page 199. Okay, it's the one with the armadillo, and let's look at number 1 right here. It says hot air balloons are able to fly at very high altitudes. A world record height of 64,997 feet was set in 1988. In 2005, a new record of 68,986 feet was set. How many feet higher, okay, there's our question, how many feet higher was the 2005 record than the 1988 record? So, first things first, it's asking about feet. It didn't say anything about calculating with years. So that doesn't mean we just start adding everything or subtracting everything, because these year numbers, the 1988 and the 2005, those have not really anything to do with finding our answer as far as the numbers themselves. We're interested in these numbers that are feet numbers. So the 64,997 and the 68,986. And they gave you a diagram here. All you want to do is figure out which one is the larger one. Well, the 2005 is the newer one, so he's the bigger one. So 68,986. And then we're going to take away 64,997. Okay, and then that's going to end up giving this little missing spot right here. And whatever that is, that's actually going to be our answer. So as we come over here and actually subtract this, so 68,986 minus 64,997. As in the last video, we have to make sure that we are answering that first question is, can you do that in that column? Cannot right there, that is not 1. So we need to borrow. So he's 16 now. So that is a difference of 9. Come next door. Can't do that one now. Can't take 9 away from 7, so we're going to borrow. He becomes 17 now. And that would be 8. Come next door now. Can't do that one now, so come next door again. He is 18 now. And that would be 9. And this one, finally, one we can do. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Didn't have to borrow that time. And 6 minus 6 is nothing. So our answer should be 3, 9, 8, 9. And I'm going to check that just because I want to make sure I did that right. So 64,997. And we're going to add this to it right here. So 3, 9, 8, 9. And that's 16, 10 and 8 is 18, 10 and 9 is 19, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 6. 68986, 68986. Okay, we're good. So we did that right. So, by the way, there's the second step. That was us writing our problem. Last step, our 2005 record was 3,989 feet higher. Okay, let's find one more. Good practice on page 200. If you've got notes to do in your board, go look at page 200. There's some good ones right here. I'm going to go to the back to page 202 And I'm going to try this number 10 right here. So I am on page 202 and I'm looking at number 10. There were 36,491 visitors to the water park last month. Okay, so last month was 36,491. This month there were this many more than last month. So that means that's not my this month number. I have to use this to get my this month number. So last month was this. This month there was this many more. So let me add that. So 1,873, and this will end up being this month. Okay, so 4, 16, 9, and 4 is 13. 6, 7, 8, and 3. So there's our this month answer. And the two that we need to combine is this one and this one. And I'm going to kind of make my own problem using those two right there. I'm going to use that. I'm going to ignore that middle number right there. All right, so we are subtracting now. No, total number. We're adding. Glad I caught that. Okay. And another thing too, look, I should have been smart enough to go over here and look how big these answers are right here. So that could not have been a subtraction problem, so good thing I caught that. Okay, 1 plus 4 is 5. So look, we got a 5 here. We got a 5 here. That means it's probably not B or D. 9 and 6 is 15. Okay, still got two 5s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 855. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So our answer was A, 74,855. These are still just using your adding and subtracting strategies. It's just making a plan before you start doing the math. I hope this helps, and I'll see you in the next one.